welcome back to Vlogmas. I don't know what day it is just yet, but girl, we are ready to put up our door decorations. First things first, babe gotta take the tree out the box. You ready to take the tree out the box? Don't mind these clothes, honey. They can't go in the dryer, so they up there drying. Don't mind them. Honey, she worried about this pony bun up here. Y'all seeing her pony bun, but tell her she look good in the comments. And don't mind our dishes drying. Say hey to the people, babe. Don't be rude and don't tear down the box if we gotta take the tree back. Yeah, this tree, I think this tree might be the one that's too big.
It's not going to come out easily, so the top and the bottom needs to be open. Okay, there we go.
And see, it came out easy and the bottom's still closed.
Can you pause for a second, please?
For what? We gotta check the door thing.
Oh no, can you pause for a second?
Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today, door decorating mission, win the door decorating contest. All right, y'all, so I do have previous clips of us taking this out, but honey, y'all know how relationships are during the holiday season. Honey, it's always one, and my wife was helping me with the tree, so I just stopped. And I wanted to come back one day this week and actually finish the tree with you guys. And that's what we're gonna do today. So buckle up, pull your tree out, decorate your tree, honey, cause we're about to win this door decorating contest. Come on, let's go. All right, y'all. So my lips are ashy. I'm ashy. All right, so we have our white Christmas tree. It's only one side fluffed because this is gonna be the side that the Grinch is stealing. So as y'all seen before, we already added the balls, the lights. We went and got some hooks, and now we're about to add the balls on next. These balls here are so cute. Let's see, this is off. And look, so cute. I don't know how long they're going to last on the tree lit up, but I'm gonna go ahead and do a video. I'm going to go ahead and do a video for my apartment complex so they can have us in the competition, just in case when they come around none of our lights are working, because all of this did come from the Dollar Tree. Okay, yes ma'am. All right, just taking all the little tabs off. These balls were $1.50. This is going to be our Grinch ribbon. Let's see what we're working with. Let's see if it's stiff enough. Oh yeah, this is going to be cute. This is going to be cute. Alrighty. Alrighty, so now let's add the balls. I'm gonna do these first. Alright. And I always squeeze them like that at the end. And I think putting them upside down would make more sense. Look how cute that is. Look how cute that is. Look at this one. All right. A Grinch tree. All right, you all. So I was recording this entire video and the audio was messed up. So I'm gonna do my very first voiceover. So I had got these large tree ornaments from the Dollar Tree. They were $1.25 a piece. I got some candy canes and I got some gingerbread men. I knew that I wanted to put something around the door. I just wasn't sure on the placement just yet. But I put the pin through the wood. It fit. I was so excited. And I was just like, oh my God, these candy canes are so cute. Let me see what I can do. So I hung on the right side, candy cane, gingerbread, candy cane. And then you're gonna see on the opposite side, I did gingerbread, candy cane, gingerbread. So these are so cute. They'll be so adorable for your tree. They'll be so adorable to decorate your kids' room, your kitchen, around the house, wherever and however you have your decorations going. I was so nervous to record out here. That was my neighbor. That was my neighbor, y'all. I just realized I gotta blur out my apartment number. But anyways, and this is where you're gonna see where I'm putting up the gingerbread on the opposite side to be different. Overall, I think that the candy canes and the gingerbread around the door is super, super, super cute. I was going for like a Grinch / tacky Christmas, because to be perfectly honest, as a kid, having a tacky Christmas was the best Christmas. However, honey, I had a time doing this. I was having a ball by myself decorating this door. It was so much fun. I didn't realize how fun it would be actually to decorate by myself. But y'all would have had so much more content if I was able to actually, if you were able to listen, honey, because baby, we had a time putting up this tree, these ornaments and putting up the tree. I had one gingerbread man left and I didn't know if I was going to actually put it on top of the door, like at the very top of there, or if I was going to just leave it down. So that's exactly what I did. I felt like 6 was absolutely more than enough. So here go the tree, y'all. Only one side of the tree is fluffed out. Now, I think that the most horrible part is the tulle. I felt like if the tulle was more, the color is perfect, but I feel like instead of it being mesh, it was actually a solid color. I feel like it would do better up against the white. However, when we first started this project, my wife was supposed to be the brains on how to hang this stuff up. And honey, I was having a time, honey. Decorating it was so much fun. But when it came to hanging and hooking and all that, girl, I instantly got overwhelmed. And I was just like, let me go sit this tree back down. Let me try something else. So girl, I went and got the Grinch hand to start with, girl. And honey, this Grinch hand, they run out so quick. They literally only had 2 on the shelf and I grabbed 1. So I got these command hooks from the Dollar Tree. Originally, they were $1. And then, of course, they went up to $1.50. So it's 3 come in a pack. I'm going to use 2 for this project. And honey, let me tell you, you stick them on, they come off really, really easily. At first, you're going to see me put it up. And I'm just like, oh my God, how am I going to hook it? Well, once I wrap the back sticks around the command hook, I was just like, why is it over? It's over too far. So I had to take it down. I didn't know how to get it straight. Like the video that I watched, it's just like people are so creative. And it's just like, girl, you think you're creative until you actually have to really put that creativity to work, honey. You see, I just pulled a command strip right on out and I moved it down a little because it wasn't centered. So once I moved it down, I was able to put the reef hook back in the middle, and I was trying to see if the I keep saying elf, but the Grinch hand, to see if it was, you know, close enough to the reef hook where it can look like he's still in our tree. So I was like, okay, I got it up here. This is a good spot. Just work with me. So I went back, got the tree, and I'm just like, okay, let's figure it out. So I need for it to be in the middle, but I don't necessarily know exactly how to hook it up there. So I had all the stuff in my pockets. I had the push pins in my pockets. I had the zip ties in my pocket, honey, and I had the rest of them command hooks in my pocket. And I'm just like, honey, something gonna work to get this stuck up here, because I don't have all day, and last thing I actually wanted to do was not finish it. So I told myself, I was like, let me put a zip tie on here so it can hang from the zip tie. So I was like, here go my neighbors again, y'all. They're Indian. I swore he was like, can you hang it? But he was saying, can we pass? And I'm like, oh, yeah. And here they come, looking at the camera. All of them stay in that 2-bedroom apartment. So that ain't none of y'all business. But they were just all standing there staring. I thought they was trying to help me hang the tree. But no, honey, they was trying to get by because they seen me record. Anyway, so that's what I'm telling y'all. I'm telling y'all that right now. So the command hook, I stuck it on the reef hook, and that zip tie that I loosely tied, I hung it on the command hook. So y'all about to see that right now. Honey, I had to tuck my tools back in my robe. So, okay, so the tree hanging, and it's kind of crooked, but honey, it's blinking and it's up there. To me, that's all that mattered, was that it was hanging. But once I actually got it up there, I'm just like, oh my God, is the Grinch hand long enough to look like it's grabbing the tree? And I'm like, I think I moved it over, so let me adjust it. Girl, I'm trying to pull the damn command hook off, girl, and tow the damn command hook. Girl, tore the tab off. I had to just pull it off. I was like, oh my God, I am not trying to tear the paint off these folks though. Honey, oh Jesus. I was like, Lord help me. I was like, maybe if I go this way. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and go this way, honey. I was just like, I need to cover this big ball that's up here. So when I look back at the video, the girl had a bow up there. And I'm just like, I'm not about to go buy nothing else to put on this damn tree. This Grinch hand, I'm going to have to figure it out so it can work. So I'm just like, okay, let me zip tie the Grinch hand to the tree so it'll look like he picking a tree up, and you know, honey. So boom, I zip tied his hand to the base of the tree. Honey, my wife said when she came home that she saw the tree base. Girl, you looking too hard. I did the best I could fighting with this dang blasted tree. So I got him up there. I zip tied his wrist to the tree, and I hooked the little sticks in the back. I looped it in a circle and put it on the command hook. Yep, I sure did, baby. And that's how we got that Grinch hand up there. So voila. Do you think we'll win the door contest? Let me know in the comments.